And we are on.
Ruchi,
Yes.
once the judges enter, you can also like make them co-hosts,
Yeah.
and Payal and the principal too.
Yeah. I'll do that. Don't worry about that. I'll do that.
Ankan, are you there?
Yeah, Payal. Hi, you're already there. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Payal.
Hi, Ruchi.
Hi. I have made you the co-host. Okay.
No. You and Ankan remain. There's a bit of a issue actually at my end today regarding the
Right.
internet. Some is on, so I
Okay.
don't know. I might not be able to kind of be
No.
on all.
We are there like as hosts anyway. Like we've
Okay.
added you as
Yeah.
the co-host.
I
All
think
right.
Jaya
Fine.
has
Jaya
joined.
has joined.
Jaya
Yes.
has joined.
Hi,
Diksha's there.
Jaya. I'm just going to check if Diksha has also joined.
Somebody.
No, Diksha hasn't joined yet.
We request all participants to please join with recognizable names. We see some participant has joined with a device name such as iPhone. We request you to please rename yourself. Ah,
Diksha has also joined.
Diksha is also joining. Yes, I am just making her
So,
co-host.
Ankan, maybe you could check with Professor Pal in case
Yeah,
she's
I'll be just
trying to
doing that.
come
I'll
in,
be just doing that.
or
Yeah.
yeah.
Hi, Payal. I didn't see you there.
Hi, how are you?
I'm all right. How are you?
Good. Thanks so much for doing this. Yeah.
No, happy. Some of the poems were so interesting and funny as well. I had such a fun time listening to them.
I'm so glad. I'm
Yeah.
just so glad. Yeah.
Great. Yes, I believe Diksha has also joined, and I have made her co-host.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Diksha.
Hi, Diksha.
Hi, Payal. How are you?
Good. How are you? I hope you had a great time doing this.
Yes, it was a lot of fun. Just that I had to travel in the middle, which there were no plans earlier, but it just happened last minute. Well, it was a lot of fun.
I don't think the judges got to interact, did
Yeah,
they?
we did thanks to Ankan on WhatsApp because we had so many ties. We were like, "Kisko- who's the real winner?" And then
It
we would
is
go back and
difficult.
see
It is very difficult to
the
choose people.
we would read the names and they would, Acha, let me watch this video again and then
Yeah.
decide constantly.
Yeah. No, in fact, I mean, the only thing I really miss about, offline interactions is that, our chai samosas just go. So
Oh,
it would have been a lot of fun. actually physically there. See each other, and also, I mean, post I've, at least for Badoretry and the slam poetry, I noticed that post the event, there would be a very lovely informal interaction between the judges and the participants and so on. I mean, of course, which can happen today also, but there is just something about, I mean, actually physically meeting people. But I'm just so glad that we could actually have this online. So.
Hi. I just spoke to Dr. Pal, Professor Pal. She's just about to join in 1 minute.
Oh, great.
But unfortunately, she won't be able to stay for too long. She has to leave the university.
Right.
But she wanted to congratulate the prize winners. So Kritika, I think you can remove. Yeah, Kritika, please remove the screen share. The principal is here. And we can begin the program too.
Hi everyone.
Hello, Professor Pal. Thank you for joining us.
Good afternoon. Sorry, but I've just got a call. I need to go to the university. So I've just joined for a few minutes because I couldn't leave, Badolators without at least meeting you all for a few minutes.
No, thank you so much for taking out time for this, really.
Actually, the car's waiting out, so I just thought I'll meet you all for 2 minutes.
Yeah. The judges are also here, Diksha and Jaya.
Right.
Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Hi. I can't seem to see. I can only see myself. I can't see the others.
I think that's in the grid view. Yeah, you have to gallery view. So I think we can have a screenshot. Girls, can you please take a screenshot since ma'am is going to leave? In the grid view.
Let's take the screenshots together.
Yeah, with the grid view. Yeah.
Yes. Done, sir.
Right.
Thank you so much. So please, would you begin?
Yeah, I just want to, of course, congratulate the entire team for continuing with, your event on a virtual platform, because I really I know that I put forward a lot of things to faculty and to students with the hope that they will be followed up. And when they are followed up with such enthusiasm and finesse, then I must say that it fills me with a lot of delight. So I'd like to begin, of course, by appreciating and congratulating the conveners, the students who are part of Badolators and who have, come up with this event even on this virtual platform. I'm really very, very anxious to hear more about the details, to perhaps see the videos. And I know that they will be shared by the teacher conveners with me. So I'm really looking forward to seeing those. And I just want to know a couple of things. How many teams finally participated?
Simran and Palak, could you just give ma'am the details?
Ma'am, we received 16 entries for Sala Lakwe competition and 23 entries for slam poetry competition.
Wow, that's excellent. Now, when you say 16 entries and 23 entries, are you talking about those many number of colleges? Presumably?
Yes.
Yeah, they're from all colleges
All colleges, from different
all
colleges.
colleges.
From different colleges.
Yeah.
Well, heartiest congratulations to all those who participated, because participating offline, participating physically, coming to college is one thing. We do it as a matter of something which is normal, but to actually get into the trouble of creating a video, shooting the video, sending it across, or to come online and then to participate online, knowing that the impact is never the same, especially when we are talking about something related to performance, and that to performing the bard, performing the Bard is as it is difficult. And on the top of that, to perform the Bard virtually, well, hats off to all of you. I don't know if I would ever be able to do it, but really I'm looking forward to seeing the way that all the students have performed. So from my side, big round of applause to everybody, the participating teams, the organizers on JDMC's side. And of course, I've been saying this practically at every event, we must remember with great gratitude our staff advisors and the Students' Union who have really put their hands together to make this, you know, a reality, make this stream a reality. So I will take your leave. I'm so sorry. I generally like to stay on.
Before you take leave, a big thank you to you, Professor Pal, for actually conceptualizing this entire thing on the online platform. And before you came in, I was just saying that, you know, I mean, it's amazing that we've actually, of course, one misses the chai, samosa and all of that. But yes, the fact that we were able to, you know, really pull it off on the online platform. So a big thank you to you for this. And a big thank you to you also for encouraging theater in the way you do. I mean, we've never really, everything's been facilitated so beautifully in the college. So thank you so much. And, you know, the audience is obviously not familiar with this. We have students from different colleges. And I know that Professor Pal is in a big hurry to leave, but I want to just add something that she's a theater person herself and has done great work, archival, solid work in the field of, you know, European and American theater and street theater, and is a performer herself. So I know that all this is very, very close to her heart. So thank you.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So I will, with these lovely, kind words. It's always very nice to hear, you know, such lovely things being said about myself. But picture यहाँ खत्म नहीं है. Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. So I'll take leave and say bye to all of you. Bye. Have a lovely ceremony. Bye.
Thank you, Mom, for kind words.
Simran and Palak, please carry on.
Okay, sir. Before beginning the event, I'll ask everyone to keep themselves muted throughout the event, otherwise asked, and please switch on your cameras. William Shakespeare once said, "Be not afraid of greatness. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them." Good afternoon to one and all present here. On behalf of Bardolators, the Shakespeare Society of Janki Devi Memorial College, I, Simran, would like to thank you all for sparing your precious time and joining us virtually in congratulating the budding artists in today's prize distribution ceremony. On the occasion of our college's annual cultural festival, Symphony 2021, we had organized two competitions: Bardaratory, the Shakespearean Soliloquy competition, and the Slam Poetry competition. It is a matter of great honor and pleasure to appreciate and reward the hard work as well as the performance of the students who have made us all proud. I now request Palak to welcome all our honorable guests present here.
Our principal could not be here, but we can't leave her introduction. Professor Swati Pal is also the member of English department of the college. She has been a Charles Wallace Scholar as well as the first Asian to receive the John McGrath Theatre Studies Scholarship at Edinburgh University. She is the Vice President of the Indian Association for Commonwealth Literature, Languages Studies, and an executive body member of the Indian Association for the Study of Australia. Professor Pal is the author of several books on theatre, creative, and academic writing. I welcome our honorable judges, Ms. Deeksha Lamba, who is an experienced theatre practitioner, and Ms. Jaya Yadav, an assistant professor at the Department of English in our college, and a wonderful audience at Symphony 2021.
In the month of February, the Shakespearean Soliloquy competition and Slam Poetry competition were organized in the online mode, where participants were asked to submit their performances latest by 9 February while following certain rules. Exhibiting great talent, 16 entries for soliloquy competition and 23 entries for slam poetry competition were received from different colleges. The entries were then evaluated by our honorable judges for this afternoon. On this note, I will now request Palak to introduce our judges for the day.
Our first judge for today is Ms. Diksha Lamba, who is an experienced theatre practitioner from Delhi, working with the prestigious Pandy's Theatre Group for 15 years. She has also taught English literature at the University of Delhi. Based on her PhD research, she has introduced a module on theatre and law at the Nalsar University of Law, Hyderabad in 2019. And our next judge for today is Ms. Jaya Yadav. Ms. Jaya Yadav is an assistant professor at the Department of English, Janki Devi Memorial College. She is pursuing her PhD from the University of Delhi, working on reimagining South Asia through an interdisciplinary lens, focusing on intersection of historiography, migration, and borders. She has also traveled and worked extensively in Bangladesh to chronicle oral histories of the partition and the Liberation War of 1971. I now request Dr. Payal Nagpal, the convener of Badulator, Janki Devi Memorial College, to welcome the honorable judges.
I think Payal had to leave. She's messaged me. She's got a network problem. On behalf of Payal and Ruchi, Kalita, the three conveners of Badulators, which is the Shakespeare Society of the college, I welcome and thank all the participants, teachers, students, and the judges for the evening. It is really very, very heartening to see the kind of participation that we've received from all the colleges of DU. Thank you for joining at Padaratory. The slam poetry event is a regular event that is part of Symphony, the annual cultural festival of the college. But we have increased our ambit, and we've again reintroduced an older competition, which is the Shakespearean soliloquy competition. And we are very, very grateful that you have also taken it up very, very warmly. Thank you to all the participants. I advance my congratulations to all the winners and all the participants also. In a way, all of you are winners. I would also like to offer my deepest gratitude to Ms. Jaya Yadav and Ms. Diksha Lamba. They have worked with a lot of stamina, with a lot of patience, with a lot of time, giving a lot of their time, to this list of videos, and having a lot of discussions because everybody has, chooses with their own perspective and then agreeing to those different opinions and somehow coming to this common list of winners, I know has been quite a process. So I'm very thankful to both of you and for joining us today. Thank you for making this momentous occasion for all of us.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. I now request Ms. Diksha Lamba to kindly address the gathering.
First of all, thank you everyone. Thank you so much for giving us so much love, and really it wasn't hard work at all. It was so much fun watching all of you perform your videos. We do miss the physical presence, that we are not together, and it's, of course, being physically close is a different environment. We see each other's performances, we learn from each other, we get new ideas. and of course the samosa and the chai and everything else. But still, I do feel after watching your videos that using this mode also allowed you to experiment with the new genres, so to say, how to interact with the camera, how to play with light, and it's very different from performing on a live stage. So I'm glad that we did this little experiment, and thank you. I want to thank you all for giving me the chance to be a part of this, and I enjoyed each and every performance. I must say, lot of effort and lot of creativity is out there, but the most difficult part is just picking up the first, the second, and the third prize winners. We still have some special mentions because we really couldn't decide. It was very, very difficult to decide who's the clear winner. So I want to congratulate all the participants, all the performers, everybody for putting in the effort that you did. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your
I'm sorry to kind of just, butt in here, but I'd lost connection. So I guess certain things we have to kind of put up with on the online platform. But I want to extend a very warm welcome and really thank at the same time our two judges, Diksha Lamba and Jaya Yadav. Both the judges who very graciously agreed to kind of be a part of this event and, spent a lot of time taking a look at the entries and coming up with results, which are it's not a very easy task, really speaking, But I also want to share with, all those who are present here that Diksha is a fab actress. She's such a good performer. And I have, of course, seen her perform on stage, though I don't think that we have shared stage space. Diksha, maybe just once? No, we haven't. Maybe at South Asian University, I think.
Yes,
Yes,
that
yeah,
was it,
briefly. So yeah,
we did
that's the
cleansing,
only
I
time.
think.
Yeah, we did cleansing together. Yeah. But she's a wonderful performer, and I have seen her perform.
I've seen
and
her on a Zoom
somebody
play,
who's
actually.
yes, and
Me too.
so
Play, yeah.
so she's really, really somebody who's not just. It's not only about the stage, but carries it in her, with her, in her daily life. To understand what's happening around her, and I think that is really, really credible, and that's what theater is all about, I guess. And it goes into sharing with each other in so many different ways. And big thank you to Jaya too for really agreeing to do this and taking out time for this particular event. And Jaya, of course, is always experimenting from what I hear from others in the classroom. So I think that makes her too a performer of a certain sort. Jaya, thank you so much for this.
Glad to be here.
Thank you, ma'am, for your sweet and inspiring words. I now request Ms. Jaya Yadav to address the gathering.
I think I completely agree what Diksha had said, and I think both of us really want to highlight that it was a really tough call this time around. Your so many entries were so enchanting. I mean, while we were watching them, it was there was so much flow. I loved a lot of videos which used candles and mirrors to play as props. They were really something. I mean, I think we hadn't imagined that so many of you would actually think so far ahead in the online mode. So that was such a lovely surprise in terms of just experimenting with what you've done. And really, I mean, we mean it when we say it that your words, your style, your form was truly enchanting for both the slam poetry and the soliloquy event. I mean, really, we've had endless discussions on how do we finalize the top three, but we're so grateful that there are all these young people out there who are willing to shed their inhibitions and come forward. And I think maybe the online mode gives you a little bit of that bridge to kind of cross over to the theatrical side. So thank you for everyone who sent in their videos. We had a lovely time, and a huge congratulations to those who've won today, and those who have not technically won today. All the best for other future competitions. Please do keep at it, I think, is what we want to leave you with. Please do.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of wisdom. Now it is time we announce the much awaited results. First, in the Soliloquy competition, the third prize is backed by Kalpana Devi of Dayal Singh Evening College.
Congratulations.
Thank you Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Congratulations,
much.
Kalpana.
Kalpana, can you please switch on your camera if you can?
Okay, now we'll play the videos of all those who are the winners.
Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes.
just play the video and see if the volume is fine.
Okay. Is it okay?
I think there's a
There's
problem
no,
with the audio.
yeah, there's no sound.
But I have. Wait. I have unmuted myself and even the volume is full.
Hello. Actually, I know how to. Actually, the host, he or she needs to click on the option of enable original sound before joining the meeting. Before sharing the video, then it will be audible.
Okay.
Thanks, Lakshay.
Can you tell me where's the option?
Yeah, it is in the more section. You can see that it is a. There will be a option of enable original sound below chat.
Kritika, stop sharing your screen first, reshare again, and when you
Okay.
share, there will be a pop-up where you'll have to take the share audio also.
Okay, optimize screen sharing for video clip. Is that
No,
the
no, no,
option?
no. Before
Share
video sharing.
share computer sound.
No, no, don't
Yes,
share.
yes.
Right
Yes,
now.
yes, that is what you
Share
have to do. Share
computer
computer
sound.
sound.
Okay.
You have to share sound as well.
Okay. Now is it audible? Is
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Yeah, here's a spot. Out damn spot! Out, I say! 1, 2. Why then? It's time to do it. Hell is am I not fine? A soldier and a fear. What need we fear? Who knows when none can call our power to account? Yet, who would have thought the old man to have so much blood in him? The 805 had a wife. Where is she now? Will these hands here be clean? No more of that, my lord. No more of. You mark all with this startling. Here's the smell of the blood still. All the perfumes of Arabia will not sweeten this little hands. Wash your hands. Put on your nightgown. Look not so pale. I tell you yet again, Banquo's buried. He cannot come out of his grave. To bed, to bed. There is knocking at the gate. Come, 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 come. Give me your hand. What's done cannot be undone. To bed, to bed, to bed, to bed, to bed.
That was an amazing performance. Congratulations, Kalpana.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful for this. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we'll move on to the second prize. The second prize in the Sthala Lakwi competition goes to Bhavika Arya of Chanki Devi Memorial College. Congratulations, Bhavika.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I request everyone to please switch off their cameras when the screen is being shared.
To bait fish with all. If you prick us, bait fish with all. If it will feed nothing else, it will feed my revenge. He hath disgraced me and hindered me 500,000. Laughed at my losses, mocked at my gains, scorned my nation, thwarted my bargains, cooled my friends and heated my enemies. And what's his reason? I am a Jew. Hath not a Jew eyes? Hath not a Jew hands, organs, dimensions, senses, affections, passions? Fed with the same food, hurt with the same weapons, subject to the same diseases, healed by the same means, warmed and cooled by the same winter and summer as a Christian is. If you prick us, do we not bleed? If you tickle us, do we not laugh? If you poison us, do we not die? And if you wrong us, shall we not revenge? If we are like you in the rest, we will resemble you in that. If a Jew wrong a Christian, what is his humility? Revenge. And if a Christian wrong a Jew, what should his sufferance be by Christian example? Why? Revenge. The villainy you teach me, I will execute that. And I shall go hard, but I will better my instruction.
That was an enthralling performance, Bhavika. Congratulations. Now, fine. You were speaking?
No, continue.
Congratulations, Bhavika.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, judges.
Congratulations, Bhavika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, finally, moving on to the participant, securing the first position is Anushka Dondial of Dayal Singh Evening College. Congratulations, Anushka.
Thank you so much.
Is this a dagger which I see before me? The handle toward my hand. Come, let me clutch thee. I have thee not, and yet I see thee still. Art thou not fatal vision, sensible to feeling as to sight? Or art thou but a dagger of the mind, a false creation, proceeding from the heat oppressed brain? I see thee still, in form as palpable as this which now I draw. Thou marshallest me to the way that I was going, and such an instrument I was to use. Mine eyes are made the fools of the other senses, or else, worth all the rest, I see thee still, and on thy blade in dungeon gouts of blood, which was not so before. There is no such thing.
Congratulations, Anushka. That
Very
was
good,
indeed a
very good.
mesmerizing performance.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Anushka. It was brilliant.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, however, that's not it. There's also a special mention for the Salalakmi competition, and it goes to Hardika Grover of Janki Devi Memorial College. Congratulations, Hardika.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
What fires in mine ears? Can this be true? Stand I condemned for my pride and scorn so much? Contemned, farewell, and maiden pride, adieu. No glory lives behind the back of such. And Benedict, oh Benedict, love on. I will requite thee, taming my wild heart to thy loving hand. If thou dost love, my kindness shall incite thee to bind our loves up in a holy band. For others say thou dost deserve, and I believe it.
Well done, Hardika. That was an amazing performance. Congratulations to all the prize winners of the Salalakwe competition.
Well done, Hardika. Brilliant performance.
Yes, very nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Moving on to the slam poetry competition, following are the prize winners. The third prize goes to Isha Adhikari of Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College. Congratulations, Isha. Is she here? Okay, since she's not here, we'll play her performance.
Hello everyone, I'm Isha Adhikari and this poem is inspired by the first theme, Vintage Whispers. This is all about a poet who is in love and how her longing of the retro dream of a perfect life turns out to be just a longing. So here it is. These days, I'm not a poet. My mind wanders. It tries hard to form something coherent, but ends up just messing the kitchen. I blabber curses in my sleep. I end up lying on my right hand a little too much. It hurts to type. I wake up at 10 a.m. and again doze off by 11 a.m. I dream. I dream of us. I dream of you. Carrying two toddlers yelling in two different languages. I see a pair of big brown eyes staring at me, a boy. He looks just like you. I try to be there, but before I reach you, it fades like an unfamiliar memory. I feel my sanity slipping out of the pockets of my unwashed shorts, mixing with the vodka spilled on the brand new carpet. I stare at the white wall too often, and I think if you'll catch me if I faint, will you? I spit tea more than I drink. My head hurts, so I turn on the music and it blasts as it eats the insides of my ears. Why does the tea taste like bile? You tell me about the consequences, your voice fades. All I hear is a weak beep, long and sharp. I feel myself falling into my own mess. I create circles with the wet cloth on the floor. I think of removing it, but that is the only thing that stays. Thank you.
That was a beautiful performance. But I guess Isha is not here, but I'll congratulate you.
I'm sorry, my network was really
Isha is
having
there.
a time.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Isha.
Congratulations, Isha.
I'm really surprised and I'm really heartfelt by this, and I'm extending my gratitude to all of the participants as well as thank you so much.
It was truly beautiful, Isha. Congratulations again. Now, next, the second position in the slam poetry competition goes to.
Simran, I just want to intervene for 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Just requesting everybody who joins in, please make sure that your mic is switched off. Thank you, Simran. Please continue.
Okay, sir. The second position in the slam poetry competition goes to Bushra Malik of Kamla Nehru College. Congratulations, Bushra.
Thank you so much.
नमस्कार, मैं बुशरा मलिक, मैं तृतीय वर्ष की छात्रा हूं और दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय के कमला नेहरू कॉलेज में पढ़ती हूं। तो मैंने जो थीम चुनी है वो है अनवेल, जिसमें मैं अनावरण करूंगी महिलाओं के खिलाफ बढ़ती हिंसा और घरेलू अत्याचार के बारे में। और इसी के अंतर्गत मैंने जो कविता लिखी है उसका विषय है घरेलू हिंसा और वैवाहिक बलात्कार। जैसे कि आप सभी को पता है कि लॉकडाउन में घरेलू हिंसा और इन सब के केसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़े हैं, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत संगीन मुद्दा है और इसके बारे में हम सबको मिलकर आवाज़ उठानी चाहिए। तो मेरी कविता इसी पर है। तो कविता कुछ इस तरीके से है। बेटी थी किसी बाप की मैं, तेरे संग जो ब्याही थी। बेटी थी किसी बाप की मैं, तेरे संग जो ब्याही थी, सपने लेकर मन में हजार तेरे घर जो आई थी। सुना था, मैंने सुना था कि नई नवेली दुल्हन घर में लक्ष्मी बनकर आती है। मैंने सुना था कि नई नवेली दुल्हन घर में लक्ष्मी बनकर आती है, पर क्या पता था उस देवी के घर में ही उसकी जबरन असमत नोची जाती है। पति ही मालिक है, पति ही परमेश्वर है। पति ही मालिक है, पति ही परमेश्वर है। ये संस्कार तो खूब सिखाए थे, पर अन्याय के खिलाफ आवाज उठाना ये साहस ना घर वाले दे पाए थे। और मान लिया आखिर देते भी क्यों, माँ ने ही कब आवाज उठाई थी। मान लिया देते भी क्यों, आखिर माँ ने ही कब आवाज उठाई थी। पर मुझ नादान की क्या खता थी जो ये जहन्नुम मेरे हिस्से आई थी। ना छोटे कपड़े पहने थे, ना घर से अकेली निकली थी। ना छोटे कपड़े पहने थे, ना घर से अकेली निकली थी। रूह मेरी थी, जिस्म मेरा था, बस उस रात ना मेरी मर्जी थी। फिर अपनी हवस मिटाने को जो तूने मुझको कौंधा था, फिर अपनी हवस मिटाने को जो तूने मुझको कौंधा था। जिस्म तो जिस्म ओ वहशी, मेरी रूह को तूने कौंधा था। सन्नाटे में चीख रही थी, खून से लथपथ हो काया। सन्नाटे में चीख रही थी, खून से लथपथ हो काया। पति है मेरा, पति है मेरा, ये सोच के मुंह खुल ना पाया, ये सोच के मुंह खुल ना पाया। मारा है मुझको पीटा है, हाँ मारा है मुझको पीटा है, बालों से मुझे घसीटा है। हमारा है मुझको पीटा है, बालों से मुझे घसीटा है। मेरी चीख सुन लेते तो जान जाते आखिर क्या क्या मुझ पर पीता है। माना बीवी थी पर औरत थी, माना बीवी थी पर औरत थी, फिर भी सीमाओं को तोड़ दिया। उस घने अंधेरे मेरे ही घर में फिर मुझे तड़पता छोड़ दिया, फिर मुझे तड़पता छोड़ दिया। नारी के सम्मान को तूने तार तार सा कर डाला, मर्यादा के आंचल को भी जार जार सा कर डाला। अब घर में परिवार की बदनामी होगी, सब लोग मुझे समझाते हैं। परिवार की बदनामी होगी, सब लोग मुझे ही समझाते हैं। पति है तेरा, हक है उसका, ये कह कर चुप कराते हैं। भूल जाओ जो हुआ उसे, मेरे घर की स्त्रियां मुझे समझाती हैं कि भूल जाओ जो हुआ उसे, आखिर कानून ही कहाँ कुछ कर पाता है। औरत के जिस्म से निकलकर मर्द औरत पर ही मर्दानगी दिखाता है। आखिर क्यों मुझको अधिकार नहीं, क्यों मुझको अधिकार नहीं, और क्यों ही मुझको सुकून नहीं। क्या धर्म पे लड़ने वालों को इस पर लड़ने का जुनून नहीं, क्या धर्म पे लड़ने वालों को इस पर लड़ने का जुनून नहीं। और अंत में मैं थक हार कर, बेबस होकर, बेसहारा होकर बैठ जाती हूँ और सोचती हूँ काश काश मुझ में सांस ना होती तो अच्छा था। ये जो जिंदगी है ना मेरे पास, ये मेरे पास ना होती तो अच्छा था। हर रात टूटकर बस यही सोचती हूँ, हर रात टूटकर बस यही सोचती हूँ, काश ये रात ना होती तो अच्छा था, काश ये रात ना होती तो अच्छा था। ये जो चीखे, ये जो दर्द एक बार फिर उठा है ना, ये जो चीखे, ये जो दर्द एक बार फिर मिला है ना, बस इसीलिए सोचती हूँ, इसीलिए सोचती हूँ काश ये औरत जात ही ना होती तो अच्छा था, काश ये औरत जात ही ना होती तो अच्छा था।
That was a splendid performance, Bushra. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. And thank
That
you so
was
much to the
very
judges.
nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Bushra.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And now, the participant securing the first position in the slam poetry competition is Kirti Mundra of Shahid Rajguru College. Congratulations, Kirti.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Indian women on an average spends 5 hours every day on unpaid domestic work compared to 98 minutes by men. Hello everyone, this is Kirti Mundra from Shahid Rajguru College, and today I'm going to present a poem highlighting the atrocities faced by women in this lockdown. It's titled The Secret Recipe. Kitchen, a place of nourishment and skill, but also of the unvoiced rage and women's drill. Slicing carrots, peeling potatoes, washing cups, cutting tomatoes, sweeping, mopping, cleaning. Breakfast follows lunch, lunch follows dinner. Domestic drudgery goes on and gets more dimmer. All my life, I've seen my mother making dazzling dishes. But like the salt that disappears into rajma or a dal done right, every Indian household ignored my mother's plight. All my life, I determined myself to not turn into my mother. But then came the pandemic. I could no longer escape and mutter. Working with my mother in the kitchen, I learned, like all other arts, this demanded skill and creativity. Like all other physical labor, this rewired the rhythm of my body. I wondered, if sharing of flavors is so pleasurable, then why don't men acquire this skill? Yes, lockdown witnessed men stepping up and sharing house chores, but once they returned to employment, gender gap resumed to its widened scores. While men recovered most of their lost jobs, 49% job losses were of women, I sob. Like Schrodinger's cat, women's work is both priceless and of little value. Don't worry, men, women are at your rescue. They will serve your children and the elderly, will ignore their self worth, but treat you tenderly. Dismantling social hierarchy, challenging patriarchy, all this seems like a far fetched dream. But it might make us realize what's the secret recipe to our happy lives. Thank you.
That was an outstanding performance, Kirti. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Kirti. That was a brilliant performance. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. It means a lot.
We also have two special mentions in the slam poetry competition. They are received by Preeti Singh of Shahid Rajguru College and Khyati of Dayal Singh College. Congratulations, both of you. Are they here?
I think Bushra has also just entered, or was she here when the prize was announced? She was.
She was here.
She was there.
All right. All right.
Okay, it's okay if they're not here. Kritika, can you please just play the videos?
वो दुनिया मेरे ख्वाबों की कुछ हसीन सी है। वो दुनिया मेरे ख्वाबों की कुछ हसीन सी है, जहाँ मेरे ख्यालों की ख्वाहिश कुछ रंगीन सी है। इस बेगैरत दुनिया से मतलब नहीं उसे, इस बेगैरत दुनिया से मतलब नहीं उसे, क्योंकि उसकी तो हर एक चीज़ बहुत महीन सी है। नमस्कार, मैं गुरु कॉलेज की स्टूडेंट हूँ और आज मेरी पोइट्री का टॉपिक है कल्पना। कल्पना मेरी एक अलग दुनिया की। हकीकत में बहुत सी चीज़ें होती हैं जिसके सिर्फ हम ख्वाब देखा करते हैं। वो ख्वाब मेरी इस कल्पना की दुनिया में पूरा करती हूँ। तो मैंने कुछ यूँ लिखा है, गौर कीजिएगा। मैं हकीकत से ज़्यादा ख्वाबों में जीती हूँ। मैं हकीकत से ज़्यादा ख्वाबों में जीती हूँ। मेरे ख्वाब भले ही सच्चे ना हो, मगर मैं सच में उनमें खुश रहा करती हूँ। मैं किस्से को एक राजकुमार है। मेरे ख्वाबों का भी एक राजकुमार है जिसके ख्याल मेरे बहुत खास हैं। वो होगा कभी हकीकत में, वो होगा कभी हकीकत में मेरा, मगर उसका ख्याल किया करती हूँ, मगर फिर भी उसका ख्याल किया करती हूँ। हकीकत से ज़्यादा अपने ख्वाबों में जिया करती हूँ। जज्बातों से खेलना नहीं आता मुझे, जज्बातों से खेलना नहीं आता मुझे, बस अल्फाजों से ही अपनी दुनिया बुना करती हूँ। खुद से ही कुछ सवाल और खुद को कुछ अटपटे जवाब दिया करती हूँ। जी हाँ, मैं हकीकत से ज़्यादा ख्वाबों में जिया करती हूँ। हाँ, शायद थोड़ी सी पागल हूँ। हाँ, शायद थोड़ी सी पागल हूँ, मगर सिर्फ मैं हूँ। दूसरे का लिबास नहीं पहना, दूसरे का लिबास नहीं पहना, अपनी खुद की पहचान हूँ मैं हकीकत से अनजान नहीं, मैं हकीकत से अनजान नहीं, बस अपनी कल्पना की दुनिया में गुम हूँ। जी हाँ, मैं हकीकत से ज़्यादा ख्वाबों में जिया करती हूँ। शुक्रिया।
I would request Janki Devi Memorial College, the account, to please mute themselves. I think Pooja is handling Janki Devi Memorial College account.
Otherwise, host can mute the person, please.
Ma'am, she is the host.
No, there is somebody else is also handling, no, so they can.
Ruchi ma'am is there.
Yeah, I am. It's already on mute.
Okay, that was Preeti's poem, and now next is Khyati.
मेरा नाम ख्याति है और मैं अपनी एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहूँगी दी हुई थीम पर। और जो थीम मैंने चूज़ की है उसका नाम है आई बर्न, आई पाइन, आई पेरिश, जो कि लुशंशो कहता है प्रियंका के लिए शेक्सपियर के एक प्ले में। इस थीम में जो लुशंशो है उसके अंदर की जो भावनाएं हैं जो कई सालों से उसके अंदर दबी हुई थी वो सभी उजागर होती है। और इसमें कई सारी भावनाएं, तरह तरह की भावनाएं हैं, जैसे कि गुस्सा, जलन, सुख और दुख। इन सभी को मैंने अपनी एक कविता में डालने की कोशिश की है। तो कविता देखिए, कविता का नाम है अक्सर। गांव था हमारा भी, अगर आज कोई पूछे उसके ना होने का कारण, ज़बां पर नाम सियादवाद रखना था। माँ अक्सर कहती थी हम अक्सर भूल जाते हैं, लेकिन उन कारणों की फहरिस्त में कुछ फफोलों का नाम भी शुमार हो, जो चमड़ी से लिपटे लिपटे ही दम तोड़ गए। और ये सब लिखा जाना चाहिए उन चिताओं में लगी दहकती आग से जो अपने हाथ उठाकर लहरा रही थी। पूरी जिंदगी जीने के लिए उन जख्मों पर मरहम नहीं, उन्हीं फफोलों की बची कुची अफसाद रखना था। माँ अक्सर कहती थी हम अक्सर भूल जाते हैं, ज़बां पर नाम सियादवाद रखना था। मान लो अगर वह गांव बच भी जाता, सूरज तो वैसा ही चमकता ना, मानो कोई एटम बम फटा हो। और यकीन मानिए वो रोशनी भी हुनर रखती है अंधेरा फैलाने का। और तब किसान झुलसते नहीं जनाब, उड़ जाते भाप बनकर। सुना है आज भी उन खेतों में जमीन की पपड़ी के नीचे धड़क रहे हैं दिल और मांग रहे हैं जल। इस बार खेतों के लिए नहीं, आंखों से आंसू लाने के लिए। खैर छोड़िए, ये तो एक किस्सा है जो उस पीढ़ी को अपने बाद रखना था। माँ अक्सर कहती थी हम अक्सर भूल जाते हैं, ज़बां पर नाम सियादवाद रखना था। अरे आपके पाँव तो आज की जमीन पर हैं और मैं इतिहास पे जिल्द चढ़ाने बैठ गई। चलिए बात करते हैं गांव की एक अलहड़ सी लड़की की। सब उसी का रास्ता रोका करते थे। अगर वो आज होती भी तो उसकी शरीर की सफेद दीवार रंगीन हो चुकी होती। शहर की चकाचौंध से नहीं, पीक के लाल छर्रों से जो आदतन थूक देते हैं दीवारें पोतने के लिए। और उन्हीं दीवारों की दर्रों से और पीक के लाल छर्रों से झांक रही होती दो आंखें, क्योंकि प्रेम का वासना से अंतर समझने के लिए देह का आत्मा से संवाद रखना था। माँ अक्सर कहती थी, हम अक्सर भूल जाते हैं, ज़बां पर नाम याद वाद रखना था। धन्यवाद।
Those were two beautiful performances, Preeti and Khyati. Congratulations to both of you. I believe I saw Khyati in the meeting. Is she here?
Yes.
Congratulations, Khyati.
Congratulations, Khyati.
Congratulations, Khyati.
आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे बेटा? You can please
unmute yourself and speak.
Thank you everyone. कुछ कहने के लिए तो खैर अभी है नहीं, but thank you all.
All right. Before we proceed, I would just like that if all the winners as well as the participants, you can interact with the judges. They're here, and I would like that this session is not just a prize distribution. It can be a learning experience for you ahead. So in any question, anything that you would like to ask the judges, anything that you want to know more about how to improve your performances, you can please speak to them. They're here.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, you are audible.
Very good afternoon to one and all present here. My question for judges is that what are the common mistakes that you have found in the poetries, and could you please tell us about those mistakes, like we can work upon it for the further events?
Jaya, would you like to go first?
Yeah, sure, thanks. I think one of the underlying themes across some people was that whether they're performing a poem or a monologue, the tone can get a little didactic, so it seems like you're delivering a lecture and not a performance. Of course there's a thin line between the two, but sometimes it's either the material you choose or the way you present it, it seems more like your tone is kind of a lecture, especially when you're picking up serious issues. So I would just say avoid that and try to make your performance as authentic as possible, and you are free to experiment with it in whatever form. So I think that's something that a lot of you could explore more, maybe in terms of twisting around the type of expressions that are expected with certain dialogues and just changing the whole format and making it different. So I think that's something that can be explored much more by quite a few of you. So that's what I felt with some of the performances. So that's a place. Otherwise, I think a lot of people were very good at timing themselves and their expressions were definitely on point. So there were lots of strengths, but I just think this is something everyone could kind of dig deeper with their own performances.
Okay, thank you, Jaya. To that, I would just like to add that, the genre itself of slam poetry is something very different. It's not just poetry. You're not reading out your poetry. There is a certain rhythm and rhyme and a pattern to which you literally, I don't know what other word to use for it, but you have to slam it. So I would only suggest that you look at some examples. Some of the things that you've written are beautiful. It's beautiful poetry. You're reading it out, but the genre of slam poetry has to have that rhythm which you could check out. For example, there is this Palestinian slam artist, Rafeef Ziada. And some of her poetry is beautiful. It's available on YouTube. It's amazing. And if you want, we could share the videos with you. So take a look at that, no matter what language you choose in the end to do it in. But the way you do it, the rhythm here is important. Of the rhythm and rhyme comes out very differently. There is a certain musicality, there is tonality to it, which was missing in most of the stuff. I tried to find it if somebody's coming close to it, but I don't think the participants even attempted to go there. So I would request you to take a look at some of the slam artists and how they're doing it, because it's a very fun genre. At the same time, it's very, very topical. It is talking about issues that are bothering us, that are concerning all of us today. So it's a very thriving genre also right now. So please do take a look at some of the slam artists.
That is very helpful, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
That was very informative and useful, ma'am. Anybody else who wants to speak something or share something?
I would like to thank you for giving me this topic, because I made this poem on, like, I read an editorial in the newspaper. Okay. So there were many editorials regarding the gender gap and the resumed gender gap after lockdown, but I could never think of it as a topic to my poem. So when I saw this, I thought, why not give it a shot? And then I made this poem, and I was very surprised after it got finished. So I would really like to thank you for giving me such topic, because it was a creative one. Yeah, thank you.
It was very beautiful, Kirti.
I would just like to just tell the judges and the participants that the 5 themes that were chosen from Shakespeare's plays for the slam poetry event, all the 5 themes were chosen by the students of the society. So somewhere the poets are also within the society who being behind the curtains. Yeah.
So that was very well done. Beautiful themes. Actually, that's why we had such a wide variety of performances, and it's all the more difficult to pick, because, somewhere you want then all the themes represented even in the prizes, so that every theme gets its due. But yes, it was very tough call, and I don't think anybody should be disheartened if you haven't won. Please, it was a pleasure to watch your performance, even slam poetry, even the solis. The way you've used lights, the camera angles, very innovative. You've experimented a lot. So don't be disheartened. That's all. That's the worst thing about being a judge to her performance event.
Thank you, ma'am. Anybody else who wants to come forward and speak?
मैं एक सवाल करना चाहूँगा मैम से। मैम, अगर आपने मतलब जैसे कि सारी परफॉर्मेंस देखी स्लैम पोएट्री में, तो आपने अगर आपके पास पार्टिसिपेंट स्पेसिफिक कुछ नोट्स हों, ताकि मैं जान, क्योंकि मैंने बाकी लोगों की तो परफॉर्मेंसेस नहीं देखी, मगर मैं अपनी परफॉर्मेंस में क्या बेहतर कर सकता हूँ, अगर आप वो बता सकें। अगर मैं आपको अपना नाम और कविता का नाम बताऊँ, आपको थोड़ा बहुत भी याद हो तो?
हाँ, अपनी कविता का नाम बता दो।
मैम, मेरी कविता थी विरासत, हिंदी कविता थी।
हाँ जी, मुझे याद है। जहाँ पे आप फादर की उससे बोल रहे हैं, जो अपने बेटे से बात कर रहा है, करेक्ट? तो उसमें अब वही है जो कविता में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बहुत अच्छे से लिखी गई है, आपने पढ़ी भी अच्छे से है, पर वही जो चीज हम ढूंढ रहे थे कि एक जो स्लैम पोएट्री वाला चीज है ना, वो बिल्कुल मिसिंग था उसमें से। तो वो सिर्फ एक वो जो एक थीम और एक जॉनरा है, उससे वो अलग जा रहा था। उसके अलावा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। तभी मैं बोल रही हूँ, कुछ आप लोग स्लैम आर्टिस्ट को देख लेंगे तो आपको भी आइडिया होगा कि हम क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो मैं ऐसे बोल के बयान नहीं कर सकती कि वो क्या चीज है। एक आप देखेंगे उसको तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि आप ऐसा नहीं है कि उसमें आपकी पोएम में पर्सनली कुछ इस तरह की कोई कमी थी या कुछ वो था। और अल्टीमेटली देखो, बात तो ये है कि एग्जैक्टली स्लैम पोएट्री तो किसी ने भी नहीं की है, if I'm being honest, but वही है कि किसी ने कोशिश कर रखी है कि हम उसको उस तरफ लेकर जाएं।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I think the presentation is what is how to present slam poetry is what I think many participants have to understand.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Two
Your
people
name?
are trying to speak at the same time. Roshni, you can go first. Hemant, if you just let Roshni speak first, and
Sure,
then
sure.
you can speak. Roshni, please.
Ma'am, can you please tell about my poetry, Unveil, which I write, so that the mistakes I made, I can realize it or I can correct it.
Just what is the name of your poem?
Unveil.
1 second, okay. Roshni, I'm so sorry. I don't recall immediately, but I could open the link and take a look at your poem. 1 minute. Jaya, do you remember? Do you
No,
remember?
I'm also taking a look at it. Yeah,
Yeah.
just a minute.
My name is Roshni. I'm a
I'll mute myself. So Roshni, I remember it now. Again, equally like it was a good performance.
Yes,
I would हाँ तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपको अलग से इसमें कुछ खामी है जो आपको improve करना है or you need to change something. Just you know, keep up the creativity and keep up the good work. Yeah, you're good. You're good. There's no problem at all.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's my first slam poetry.
Okay, so but do look at some of the slam artists, which I'm repeating myself and I'm telling everybody. एक रफीक ज़ियादा करके हैं, कोई पैलेस्टीनियन पोएट भी हैं, उनका काम देख लीजिए, मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. बाकी I think जया मैम भी कुछ recommend करना चाहती थी.
There's Sarah and Phil K, जो बहुत टाइम से ऑन टूर भी जाते रहते हैं, वो यूट्यूब पे काफी फेमस है. Their company is called Button Poetry, जो और भी आर्टिस्ट को फीचर करता है, so you can look at that. I think what we just want to say is, see, there's a difference between reciting your poem in obviously an engaging and passionate manner than actually slamming it, like, you know, Diksha ma'am said. So what all we can say is, you know, it's not as if the person who's won the prize has completely done that. We've already said that, but they did change their tempo. So a lot of slam poetry is rhythm and tempo. You know, at least one or two of the people who won, that the lines that they're saying, it's not just about expression. They're changing the tempo. They're, you know, intonating certain words. They're changing the way that word is said. So a lot of slam poetry is experimentation like that. And, you know, we've said this, but just take a look at least a few. You will definitely realize how it's performed and how it's different to your own performances.
Jaya and Diksha,
Okay,
could you
thank you,
write the
ma'am.
names of the artists on the chat box? Yeah.
Sorry, say that again, Uncle. I didn't hear you.
Yeah, the students would like you to write the name
I'll
of the
write it.
artist on the chat box. Thanks. I think Hemant also wanted to say something.
Yes, Hemant, please, you can now ask your question or query.
Ma'am, I would also like to get a feedback on my poetry. I chose the theme Unveil and the poetry was Kyun. The title of my poem was Kyun.
Hemant, right? Hemant? क्यों
Yes,
आपकी
ma'am.
थी ना हाँ तो in fact I would like to I'm glad that you guys are all asking for feedback, because then I get to talk about your poetry and congratulate you as well. and not just the people who have won, because I again think that it was a beautiful piece that you've submitted. We are not repeating the same thing again, that you're not slamming the poetry. That issue is altogether different, and it's true for everybody. But you did talk about marital rape, and I think it's beautiful the way you and surprisingly, like, so many adults can't understand it, but through your poetry one can see that the way you've captured the kind of toxic masculinity that feels entitlement over a woman's body, that the thing is very clearly coming out of your poetry, and it was really nice to see the video. Keep it up, just keep it up. It's nothing like the specific pointers on which you can improve, and you're doing a wonderful job. Just keep doing it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would definitely love to participate next year also.
Yes.
Last year I also participated in Bardo Rate, and last year I secured 3rd position.
Okay, great.
I think, Simran, we can move on now.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Jaya.
Yes. My heartiest
Thank you to the kids, especially to all the students who've organized, who've participated, and I hope you win prizes in future. Keep doing this, keep posting your work on YouTube. Under the lockdown, this has really picked up. The important thing is that you're being creative and creating good work. So do that. I mean, this prize or not, like, you can even use social media platforms to share your work and get feedback from there and see how people are responding to it.
Thank you, ma'am. My heartiest congratulations to all the prize winners and participants for their commendable efforts. Keep working hard and continue to keep your love for theatre alive. Hope to see you all next year too. Now we have come to the end of the ceremony, so I now request Palak to deliver the vote of thanks.
I would like to express my deepest sense of appreciation for our principal, Professor Swati Pal, for gracing us with her presence today. And next, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our judges for being with us here today. I would also like to extend my warm thanks to our convener, Dr. Payal Nagpal, Mr. Ankindar, and Ms. Ruchi Kalata for their guidance and support. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheel starts rolling a week ago. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated students of our institution who have shown their involvement and willingness in making today's event a great success. For this, I would like to thank the technical team of Bardulators and the Students' Union for their efforts and hard work, and also all members of Bardulator for their effective coordination. Last but not the least, our audience for supporting till the end and making the ceremony a great success. And heartiest congratulations to all the winners.
All right. With that, yes.
Before we end the session, could everyone please switch on their cameras? We'd like to take a few screenshots. Smile, please. Thank you, everyone.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you to the participants. Thank you so much, both Diksha and Jaya, for being here today. So, like, for taking time out for this and for, like, listening and giving your feedback. So thank you, everyone. Thanks to all. Congratulations to all winners. We will be ending the meeting here today. Thank you all.
Yeah, I would just like to inform the prize winners that we will be getting back to you regarding the prize money and the e-certificates. So thank you.